do with your heart. One day I was reading the story in the Bible where the wind and the waves were coming over the boat, remember? And Jesus is sleeping. And the disciples, they got frustrated with Jesus. And they said, "What are you doing? We're going to die." And they're waking up Jesus from his sleeping, and Jesus calms the wind and waves. And he kind of talks to them a little bit. Where's your faith? You know, I have to be with you before you get it. And one day I was reading that, and at the same time I'm reading it, in my mind, I see a parallel passage for the first time. And I see the story of Gethsemane. For the first time ever, I saw it. It was like a flip. It was like the same story, just flipped. And for the first time, it was like I saw Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane, and he's dealing with something eternal. And there's real wind and waves that he needs his disciples to stay awake for. And he comes back to them in the midst of the storm that's truly eternal. And they're sleeping. And Jesus spoke to my spirit that day and said, "Jason, to be a prophetic generation is to sleep to what Jesus is asleep to. To stay awake for the things Jesus is awake for." So we just declare that we're the sons and daughters of a living God. We declare even in America, even in America